Royal Cyber can help you leverage Microsoft Copilot to integrate major functional areas of your business, such as infrastructure, digital and app innovation, data and AI, modern work, business applications, and security. Data from various sources flows through storage, processing, and automation components, enabling powerful analytics and real time decision making. This setup supports both structured and unstructured data and integrates tools for automation, AI, and business insights, allowing for a robust and scalable enterprise ecosystem. Take a look at this example where through Copilot Studio, you can or a user can talk to any of the business applications through Microsoft Teams, Slack, Skype, Telegram, mobile app, or any other conversational tool. And Copilot understands through LLM and get data through Microsoft Graph, other plugins, or get things done through Microsoft Power Automate. Here in this example, we have integrated Graph and Power Automate with ServiceNow and Salesforce and Intra ID. We will show you some examples how it works. So here on your left, you can see me logged into ServiceNow, and on my right is a Teams window that is actually Microsoft Copilot's window in Teams. So this instance of Copilot is integrated with ServiceNow, and let me ask some questions. So if I ask it, what are the incidents assigned to user, it can understand my intent and get the right resource for me, either by graph connectors or any API calls programmed into it. So here you can see a list of incidents assigned to event. I can ask about change requests, tasks, or anything that is kept in the ServiceNow instance that it is connected with. I can also ask about knowledge base articles that ServiceNow has, or any third-party site, public or private, has. So let's suppose if I ask, how can I request ITIL access? Since there is an article in my instance of ServiceNow about this, it can summarize that article and open it for me. It can open a link for me. Here is the article you can see. And since I'm asking about it, probably I want to do it. So it is giving me directions to go ahead and do it. There is some information that is required for ITIL access request in the service catalog. So I can provide this. And it will just confirm that that's what I want to do. Open an ITIL access request and go ahead, do it for me. There is an automation running at the back end that opens the request and brings me the request ID. There you go. Now, for instance, in this example, you can see not only it was able to find and summarize information from knowledge base, it was also able to get things done, run some automations at the back end, and get the results back on the chat interface for me. I can ask about other things like, is there any scheduled patching that affects my apps. So if there are any change requests that will affect the applications I use, I can ask about that. It can check and give me a summary that what are the apps that can be affected by scheduled um, patching. Or the same instance of Copilot is integrated with Microsoft Intra ID too. So if I ask, let's suppose, what are the AD groups of user Hamza? So it knows where to check that, where to get this information from, and it is able to let me know. So that's it for the demo. Contact us for any further details about this or what applications you want your Copilot to be integrated with, and we can help you out. Thank you very much.